So I'm here at a condo. I'm doing a little repair. I've got to let this dry now, and then I'm going to lightly sand that, and then I'm going to have to paint this. And you know, the owner said that there was some matching paint underneath the cabinet. Well, they had the accent color, darker color, and then they also had some paint for the door casings and the baseboards and stuff like that. So now I have to go to the store and get this color here. But once I come back and I sand this, then I'll paint this, and I've got to put at least 2 coats of paint on there and then let it dry. Preferably, if you had any primer, you'd put the primer on first and then 2 coats of finish. I don't have that. I don't have any primer here, and so I'm going to use 2 coats of finish, and then I'll have to look at it. And then what I might do is take a mini roller. You know, I might take just a small brush and just do this. Then for 2 coats, and then I might take a mini roller and roll out this entire little wall section. Okay, and there's a tip for you. You know, you do a little patch, even if your paint is the exact same color, sometimes it doesn't blend in all the way, and then you see exactly, oh yeah, there's a patch. Yeah, Joe said he patched that and painted real good. It looks like crap, because now you can see exactly where he patched. I see it, it's right there, and it's right up there, and it's right down there. But you're not going to do that, are you? You're going to be smart. We're going to take the paint on the last coat. I'm going to take a mini roller, and I'm going to go up in there, and I'm going to move this over, and I'm going to go almost over to the wall. And when I use a mini roller, 6-inch mini roller, I don't have to cut in or anything. I can go down fairly close to the wall. And when somebody looks at these patches, they're going to say, wow, Joe did a really good job. You can't even see where the paint is off. It matches perfectly. And maybe it doesn't match perfectly, but you know the trick now on how to do it. That's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos